Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're taking a really close look at a device that is absolutely making waves in the 2026 mid-range smartphone market. We are unpacking the Vivo T5X 5G. And look, this isn't just your standard run-of-the-mill incremental upgrade. People are genuinely hailing this as the ultimate budget tank phone of the year. And it's basically built from the ground up around one incredibly disruptive feature that totally forces us to rethink what a modern smartphone can actually endure. So let's just dive right into it. 7,200. That is the milliamp hour capacity of the battery sitting inside this phone. I really want you to treat this massive 7,200 milliamp hour power cell as the main character of our explainer today, because almost every single design choice, every compromise, and every major strength of the Vivo T5X stems directly from the decision to cram this absolute behemoth of a power source right into your pocket. Here's our roadmap for today. First up, we'll officially meet the Vivo T5X. Then we'll dive straight into that massive battery and durability. After that, we'll cover the performance and display specs, do an overview of the camera system, break down the pricing and trade-offs, and finally wrap up with the final verdict. All right, Section 1, meet the Vivo T5X. Let's take a look at the design and overall aesthetics. Vivo is clearly playing with some pretty bold aesthetics in this budget to mid-range space. Take a look at the cyber green variant on the left. It's got this bold, youthful, matte finish, which is honestly fantastic because it actively resists fingerprints, meaning it actually stays looking clean throughout the day. And then on the right, we've got the Fusion Red. This is a newer, just incredibly vivid third color option you can grab through Vivo's official e-store. It brings a ton of punchy personality to a device that, at its core, is essentially a heavy-duty utility tool. But wait, there is a third option, the Star Silver finish. Now, this one gives off a super premium, reflective metallic vibe. It's arguably the most striking of the three, for sure. But there's a catch. Unlike that matte cyber green, this silver finish is an absolute magnet for fingerprint smudges. So if you're the kind of person who likes your phone looking completely pristine without a case, yeah, you're probably going to find yourself wiping this one down quite a bit. Now we have to talk about the weight. At 219 grams, the T5X is noticeably heavier than your average smartphone. It features this very boxy, traditional design with a full-frame plastic build. And trust me, you are going to feel this in your hand, and you'll definitely feel it in your pocket. This is the very first immediate physical trade-off you make for carrying that massive 7,200 milliamp hour power source around everywhere you go. Moving on to Section 2, massive battery and durability. Let's really explore why they're calling this thing the ultimate tank phone. So how do you actually fit a 7,200 milliamp hour battery into a phone that is only 8.39 millimeters thick? Well, the secret is dense silicon carbon technology. Silicon carbon cells pack way more energy density than your standard lithium polymer batteries. Basically, this means Vivo didn't have to literally hand you a brick to give you genuine 2-day battery life. To put that into perspective for everyday use, you are looking at an astonishing 10+ hours of screen-on time, and that's even if you're heavily streaming and scrolling social media. But it's not just about raw capacity. It is about longevity and utility. The phone supports 44W wired fast charging. And yes, the charger actually comes in the box, a rare treat these days. It also supports reverse charging, meaning your giant phone can literally act as a power bank to top up your wireless earbuds or save a friend's dying phone. But maybe the craziest claim here is Vivo's 6-year battery health guarantee. They're stating the battery will retain 80% of its capacity even after 1,600 charge cycles. That is a massive, massive commitment to the lifespan of this device. Of course, a long-lasting battery doesn't mean much if the phone shatters the first time you drop it, right? Well, the T5X features dual IP68 and IP69 Plus ratings, right alongside MIL STD 810H military-grade certification. To translate that out of tech jargon for a second, this phone is incredibly dust and water resistant. That IP69 Plus rating specifically means it can survive high-pressure, high-temperature, hot water jets. Combine that with the military-grade drop resistance, and you've got a genuinely rugged device perfectly suited for harsh work environments, or honestly, just a very clumsy owner. All right, let's jump into Section 3, performance and display specs. Let's take a look at the engine running this beast. Under the hood, the T5X is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Turbo, which is a highly capable 4nm chipset. Paired with up to 8 gigs of RAM, plus virtual RAM expansion that can give you up to 8 extra, it effortlessly crosses the 1 million mark on Antutu benchmarks. It handles daily multitasking and app animations without a single hitch. On top of that, independent cooling tests show that its thermal management actually keeps the phone about 4 degrees Celsius cooler than the previous generation when you're under heavy gaming loads. But here is where we find a pretty notable compromise. The display is a 6.76-inch FHD Plus panel. It's got a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and a very solid 1,200 nits of peak brightness, so outdoor visibility is great. However, it is an LCD panel, not an AMOLED. So while it is fast and it gets bright, an LCD just inherently falls short of those deep, true blacks and the high contrast you'd easily find in AMOLED rivals sitting at this exact same price point. Over on the software side, you're looking at Origin OS 6, which is built on an Android 16 base. Now, reviewers have noted that the experience is highly functional, and it's well optimized to really take advantage of the hardware. But, and it's a fairly big but, you should know it comes bundled with noticeable pre-installed bloatware. You are probably going to need to spend your first hour with the phone just uninstalling unwanted apps to get a cleaner, less cluttered experience. Which brings us to Section 4, Camera System Overview. Let's see how the optics hold up on a budget. The rear setup here is led by a 50-megapixel primary camera, utilizing the Sony IMX882 sensor, and that's accompanied by a 2-megapixel depth sensor. In good lighting, real-world tests are showing sharp, detailed, and really vibrant daylight shots. That depth sensor actually steps up and helps deliver some remarkably accurate edge detection and natural-looking bokeh for your portrait photography. Beyond that main sensor, you're getting a 32-megapixel front camera plus 4K video recording on both the front and the rear. There's also this highly unique software feature called Underwater Photography Mode, which, as you can guess, perfectly leverages that extreme IP69+ water resistance we talked about earlier. However, let's keep our expectations grounded here. Low-light performance is, well, just average. It shows visible noise as soon as the sun goes down. It's totally solid for social media, but no, it is not going to beat out dedicated premium camera phones in the dark. Section 5. Price, pros, and cons. Let's weigh this all out. Okay, so a really crucial point to bring up regarding pricing is that we have actually seen some significant price creep since the phone launched back in March 2026 in India. The base 6GB model originally started at 18,999 rupees, but as of late July, that price has crept up to around 24,399 rupees. The top-end 8GB with 256GB of storage, that's now hovering around 30,999 rupees. And because these prices are varying pretty wildly right now across retailers like Flipkart, Amazon, and Vivo's own store, comparison shopping is absolutely mandatory if you want to lock in the best deal. Ultimately, it really comes down to a balancing act. On one side of the scale, you are getting exceptional, genuine 2-day battery life and extreme, literally military-grade ruggedness. But on the flip side, you've got to accept the visual compromise of that LCD display, the undeniable physical bulk of carrying a 219-gram device, and the minor, yet real, annoyance of dealing with software bloatware out of the box. And that brings us to Section 6, the final verdict. Who is this phone actually built for? Look, the Vivo T5X 5G is not trying to be a sleek, fragile piece of pocket jewelry. It just isn't. It is a purpose-built tank of a phone. And honestly, it delivers flawlessly on its core promise: incredible endurance, totally solid everyday performance, and the rare ability to survive drops and water pressure that would absolutely destroy most other devices on the market. If your top priorities on a smartphone are longevity and durability over premium aesthetics and OLED screens, this is easily one of the strongest options available right now. So, I'll leave you with this final thought to chew on today. Is a 7,200 milliamp hour battery actually worth the extra bulk? Take a look at your own daily routine. Does the peace of mind of having a genuine 2-day endurance and a phone that can literally survive a hot water jet outweigh the feeling of a heavier pocket and looking at an LCD screen? For a growing number of people out there who are completely exhausted by battery anxiety, the answer to that question just might be yes. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and remember to keep questioning the tech you carry every day. Catch you next time.